Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make an origami candy ball. Kashibachi, we say in Japanese. It's a traditional fancy ball. You will see us placing individually wrapped Hello Kitty fruit candies inside it once made. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. Fold in half again, bringing right corner to the left to make a smaller triangle. Pick up the top part and open wide, then flatten. Turn it over and do the same for the other side. Now it's a perfect square. Fold back from the top, only grabbing the upper piece of paper. Turn it over and do the same. Take top right and top left and put them together, changing the folding face by 180 degrees. Fold the upper right part alongside the vertical center line and do the same for the left. Then bring the triangle down and fold. Tuck half the triangle inside the pocket. Turn it over and do the same. Fold the upper right part alongside the vertical center line and do the same for the left. Then bring the triangle down and fold. Tuck half the triangle inside the pocket. Change the folding face by 180 degrees. Fold up, putting the apex above the top line. Unfold. And fold up again to the line you just made. Then tuck that part inside. Turn it over. Fold up, putting the apex above the top line. Fold back a bit, then tuck that part inside the pocket. Then open it up to make a square-shaped ball. Place individually wrapped Hello Kitty fruit candies inside, then you're done. Don't worry if you can't get Hello Kitty candies, you can put your favorite candies instead. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!